Dim. And bright. Dim. And bright. You know, here a couple of months ago, I replaced this dimmer switch. And I didn't make a video of it because at the time I think I was in a hurry and probably the camera was dead and all the cards are full, blah blah blah. And I don't even know how long it had been since I replaced the switch. Here, I have the receipt for when I done it. Shoot. Let's see, at AutoZone, where is the date? Oh, okay, on August 18, 2011. Oh, wow. Okay, anyway, here was the old one. What was wrong with it, when you go to change, when you go push it to switch to bright, the lights would go out. Not really the most fun thing on a dark road at night. But anyways, and I've been aiming to do this for a while. What we're going to do, we're going to tear this apart to find out what's inside of it. Oh shoot, we might even be able to fix it. How about that? Okay, I don't know which side we're going to start at. Where would you start at? Right there at the electrical connector. That's where I'm going to start at. Okay. I don't know if I even have the right tools for the job. If it's anything like a power window switch, it can't be really that hard to get apart. Probably get to see something epic like me cutting my hand open or something. Well, nothing yet. Which won't be the 50,000th time that I've cut myself with a screwdriver or something, doing something stupid like this. Okay, well hold on a minute, I'm going to get something different to work on this with. Alright, I'm back. I have a chisel now and a hammer. We're going to see if we can bust the sides out of it with a chisel now. Camera's bouncing. Sorry about that. Whoops. I knew that was going to happen sooner or later. Okay, well, here we go. Making a little progress. Do you ever imagine that destroying things is going to be so hard? Okay. Bear with me for a moment. Alright. I'm down on more solid ground now. Ouch. Yeah, I can really tell that. Getting close. Okay. Alright. Now, let me see what it is. Okay. Oh. Well, too bad there's no fixing to it, but if you notice, this electrical connector right here has contacts on the side of it. And this part here has a wheel that spins, and you can see it just switches the contact back and forth. Of course, the switch, let me put it still here, and you can see better. Of course, you can tell the switch is wore out, so it's not really going to switch back and forth like it's supposed to. Okay, kind of cool, isn't it? Well, we'll go ahead and pull that part out of it. And you see, it's all dried up. It looked like it had some grease in here at one time. Okay, well. And it has a pointer. Probably can't see it too well. Up in here, that pushes this part down, just like this. So how that works is that point pushes this little wheel down, and of course it's held, and when you go to switch it back, that little needle pushes the other side of it and brings it back. So it's got this little point, pushes that down, and that holds it, and you look, it pushes it back the other way. So that's how this dimmer switch works. Not really much to it. We'll go ahead and pull that part out. Or do we need to? Well, there's not much to it. Okay, off camera I was able to twist that apart, and inside of it, it sits just like this. There is the spring that sits in here. Then there's a little pointer, and it goes in here like that. It pushes the little disc around. And of course the spring that holds tension on it all. That fell down in the grass earlier, but I picked it up. So basically, not really much to one of these dimmer switches. Let me go ahead and make an exploded view of it for you all. That's exactly how that part goes. And then, just like this, and that. And that's basically what's inside one of these things. Not much to it at all. Well,